big thanks to R&G. So I have a new pin for my stand. You see this one's had a lot of use, but it's the wrong size pin for my KTM. So it looks like this is the pin for the stand and this is the pin for the motorcycle. Let's just test that. It's a treat. And the way you secure it is with these C-clips. And that just holds it securely in, so it can't come off. I can't do the other side until this pin is through, so just pop the pin in to the stand, and it'll come through. And then to secure the pin on the stand, I don't really want my KTM going anywhere. I'm just going to take this C-clip and pop it on this side, and that will lock it into place. There we go. That pin's going nowhere. Just going to pop this through the axle. Nice. Beautiful. I love 90-degree valves. That's the interim winter service complete, and all checks done on the KTM. It's ready to go out. Still got a few more pieces to fit, which is the frame plugs and lovely new rear light, and it even comes with the little nuts that it needs. Oh, I've been searching forever for these. But that is for another day, because I need to press this bike back into service and get some miles on it and get some work done. So for now, I will come back to this box. I have two R&G stands, and the reason this pin is so important is it's genius. So every time you swap motorcycles out, so every few years, you don't have to buy another stand. All you do is buy a pin, and I'll link to it in the description, and then just put the new pin through your stand, and that should work. And some of these pins work on multiple different bikes as well, so you never know. Your old pin might work on your replacement bike. So with my BMW RT, the final drive pin goes through the off side of the motorcycle, and to you, if you were sat on the motorcycle, that would be the right hand side. And on my KTM, the pin goes through the near side, and to you, if you were sat on the motorcycle, that would be the left hand side. And that is why I have two R&G stands, and I've used this one for my K1300, both my RTs. It's been fabulous. And then this one has done Ducatis, and now it's doing KTMs, and I haven't had to buy another stand. So that's how their system works, and I really like the idea of it, because some of these pins, you go online, you can find them for 18 quid. New, you can find them up to 40 pounds, depends. Sometimes you can find them less. But it's just a really good system, and it saves buying Paddock stands all the time. And then to free up a little bit of space, I just hang them up on the wall. And there's my KTM one, looking like it's had some use already. Because it has. There we are, ready to go back on the road. And thank you for watching these videos. I do appreciate it.